Day to our thesis advisor, Mr. Romano Pimentel, and to our lovely panelists. I am Jade Matugasinga. I would like to greet you all a pleasant day. We will be presenting our project thesis title, The Wireless Mobile Operated Beach Cleaner Robot, together with my group mates, Ms. Hannah Janelle P. Cervantes, Ms. Sadja Mama Sabayang, Mr. Dave Indoy, and Mr. Jancy Ford Kaysen. And now, without further ado, let's start with Ms. Cervantes. Ms. Hannah?
Thank you, Mr. Jade Singa. I'm Hannah Janelle P. Cervantes, and I'm going to discuss about the background and rationale addressing the gaps in our research. So first, we highlight raking technology, manual method, cleaning mechanism, sand cleaner machine, environmental solution, and wireless mobile operating system, which is very relevant to our full body of research and study pertaining to what we would like to innovate, develop, and design. The portion would like to address what we tend to implement on our own innovation for the next chapter of our research. And for problem statement, this study aims to innovate a beach cleaner machine using Arduino-based controller to address the gaps of the existing smart beach cleaner robot. These are the main problems of the machine. What design should we consider with developing the Arduino-based beach cleaner robot? What development and implementation strategy should we apply to ensure the efficiency of the wireless beach cleaner robot? What evaluation parameters must be considered to assist the beach cleaner robot? And for the objectives of the study, let's have Mr. Jade Singa.
Thank you, Ms. Cervantes. The main objectives is to design and to develop the wireless mobile operated beach cleaner robot. So, the specific objectives is to design and develop an Arduino-based beach cleaning machine operated by smartphone via Bluetooth and design the manual mode operation of the machine. The second one is to develop and implement a wireless mobile operated beach cleaner robot using Arduino-based controller which is programmable by the use of software to perform a convenient operation. The third one, to evaluate the efficiency of wireless mobile operated beach cleaner robot based on the evaluation of the parameters in relation to identify the strength and weaknesses of the machine. So for the further discussion, let's have Ms. Sadja Mamasabayang. Ms. Sadja?
Thank you, Mr. Jade Singa. I'm Sadia, and to continue, we will proceed to discuss about the conceptual framework. This is the input, process, and output. In input, we do research about beach cleaning machine, specializing in sand cleaning. Also, we do research about the background of existing beach cleaning machine and problems that possibly occurred during operation. Next, the brainstorming. The brainstorming helped us to gather suggestions for the designing, especially in manual mode operation of the machines. And the third, data gathering. It is important because it helped us to gain some knowledge about the disadvantages and advantages of other existing beach cleaning machine, and to know more about the best type to use it in assemble in the machine. And the fourth, in the input, skills and knowledge. This is the main ingredients to have successful and functional prototype. And we proceed to in processing. First, the designing. In designing, the first to focus is the goal to be operated electric and manual operation, developing and implementation. The next one is developing and implementation. We will do welding the frame chassis and conveyor system and buy all needed electromechanical components, especially the Arduino Uno setup, motor, solar, and wirings. We arrange and set up according to their functions. And the third, evaluation. In evaluation, we test the wireless mobile operated beach cleaner robot to identify the possible problems and adjust or troubleshoot the machine. And the last output, now we have the successful functional prototype. And now let's continue the discussion with Mr. Jancy Ford Quezon.
Ms. Sadia, and now I'm going to discuss about the review related literature. One of the most epic methods in cleaning the beach is by the use of beach cleaner machine, innovation that remove wastage from beaches, lakes, rivers to, to make the tourist spots sustainable for beach goers or tourists. Various beach cleaner can be used to effectively remove litter, sharp shells, glass, rock, and excessive seaweeds from the beach. Beach cleaner has two types. These are mechanical raking and sifting technology. Raking technology strength is the versatility, speed, tide line, cleaning, and environmental friendly compared to sifting machine type. In addition to that, it works optimally in dry and wet sand, which makes it unique and most convenient. Therefore, this raking technology are less harmful because this will not affect beach erosion. The main purpose of this project and innovation is to aid environmental problem beneficial to community beach owner volunteers to help clean the shoreline sand body effectively by operating it manually and or unmanual way in scoping up rubbish, leftovers, and other wastage. And for conceptual design and working methodology, let's have Mr. Indoy.
Thank you, Mr. Quezon. And now, this is our conceptual design. But technically, based on the existing beach cleaner robot from year 2015 to year 2020, pertaining to their innovation and development of their robots, which is their implementing artificial intelligence, remote controller, tractor fold, fossil fuel, and the other one they're using solar power. But the correlation or the difference from the existing models towards our own innovation is that we can operate manual. Aside from energizing electricity, we tend to use solar powered battery with voltmeter to check the battery percentage and the lead light for night shift operation if necessary. Our project is for sand land basis only using caster wheel type for front wheels, and for back wheels we use off-road sand paddle, and of course from the title itself, wireless mobile. So we tend to use smartphone via Bluetooth with an application through Arduino Droid. And for working methodology, first the rotation of wheels by pushing or towing the machine, the rotation of the shaft, and directly rotates the conveyor rake system. Spokes collect the waste, another one is the waste get locked between spokes, and the last one, the waste transported up the conveyor rake system deposited in the waste box.